Hello all and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is AJ and I post new videos every Thursday about baking and lifestyle. On today's episode of Lish the Baker, we are making Bloody Truffles. These cherry-filled cake pops are a perfect spooky addition to any Halloween party. This recipe is super easy because you just combine a boxed cake mix, pre-made frosting, and a couple other ingredients to create these truffles. This recipe is perfect for the novice baker who wants to impress their friends and family with a super complicated looking dessert. The candy weapons on top are of course a completely optional step, but I do recommend it because they make these truffles look especially creepy. Without further ado, let's get into making these frighteningly delicious bloody truffles. So wrong. This is why I went with a boxed cake mix. There's no way I could do this to one of my own cakes. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the little bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. And leave a comment down below. Which weapon would you choose? For your baked goods, of course. Without further ado, let's get into making these delightfully... no. Channeling my inner Sharpay. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumb. What is with my hand? Okay. Bye.